This is an old-growth forest. An old-growth forest is one that has reached maturity without having its growing cycle disturbed, be it from logging or urban sprawl. These forests often have a higher biodiversity due to the varying ages of trees. Old and dying trees provide essential nutrients for the forest's regeneration. These aging and dying trees also create the perfect habitat for the pileated woodpecker. Towering up to 45 centimeters, the pileated woodpecker is the largest species of its kind found in Canada. Its size and power make it a very important part of the ecosystem of an old-growth forest. The large holes bored by a pileated woodpecker are often recycled by squirrels, kites, smaller falcons, and other birds. They use these for storing nuts, homes, or nests. Along with providing homes to animals throughout the forest, the pileated woodpecker's ability to tear bark from a tree is actually a very important part of the ecosystem. This allows the smaller sapsuckers and woodpeckers to bypass the thick bark and obtain their food much easier than they would have before. Unfortunately, it takes over 40 hectares of old-growth forest to sustain one pileated woodpecker. As we see urban development slowly encroach on their habitat, we will see this already endangered bird disappear from our cities along with many other species. I encourage you all to go outside, friends. Leave your phones behind. Really live in a living ecosystem. Explore it. You know, these forests, they're alive, they're growing, they're dying. This is reality. Surround yourself with it.